Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to add or update your bio on the X app. Whether you're looking to introduce yourself, showcase your personality, or share your interests, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. You'll find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap on it to launch. Next, navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can view and edit your personal information. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. This option allows you to make changes to various sections of your profile. Now, locate the Bio section within the Edit menu. Tap on it to activate the text input field. This is where you can type in the bio that best represents you. Whether it's a short introduction, a professional tagline, or something fun and creative. Take a moment to craft your bio thoughtfully. You can include keywords, hashtags, emojis, or anything that reflects who you are or what you do. Once you're satisfied with your bio, tap Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added or updated your bio on X. Your profile is now more personalized and ready to connect with others. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a hand updating their profiles too.